guys, so welcome back to my channel. There's a glare on my glasses from the window, sorry. But this video is going to be about the fitness slash healthier eating journey that I'm about to embark on. So today what I'm gonna do is take you guys to the grocery store with me because we need to get, you know, some healthier foods. I don't eat like super unhealthy, but it's not the healthiest that I could be eating. So I really need to tackle that because summer is coming. I gotta get my body snatched. So I gotta get some groceries. So this fitness journey is for about a month, a little over a month, under a month. But we're just gonna start with week 1, figure out what we need to get from the grocery store, figure out what kind of meals I need to be eating, stuff like that. So check this out. So ding, look, the chicken aisle is, oh my goodness.
Got it when I did.
Oh my God!
How much chicken did I get when we came?
That's probably why it's empty.
Not from me.
Yes. Okay, so we came to the grocery store to do some shopping, but it's looking like we're probably not even gonna get anything because coronavirus done wiped everything out. Jeez. Pasta sauce, but there's not even any pasta to put the sauce on.
Oh my God! Wow!
Oh my God, this is ridiculous. Oh, even if we wanted couscous, it's gone.
For real. They had to put it on the dry stuff. Limit 2 per category.
2 per what?
Category. So these things over here, the rice.
Oh my goodness.
And I'm not buying this quinoa that's already cooked in the thing.
They have like these quinoas, but we would have to like
Flavor it ourselves.
yeah. But you know what I'm wondering? If they have it in the bulk section. Oh, that's it. That's all of it? I'm crying. No way. So as you can see, we just went shopping for this new health journey. And as you can see, there was nothing in the grocery store. So I kind of had to get what I could find. We're gonna have to do a lot of compromising, adjusting and everything to the original program because the stores are ridiculous right now. There's nothing in the stores. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I got. So this shopping trip was a complete joke. There was nothing in the store, so I got, there's no pasta in the store. Surprisingly, I came across this. It's a pasta with garlic and basil with wheat germ. Okay, this is like a whole wheat pasta. It's linguine, so I have this. We have some, there was no quinoa left on the shelves. No quinoa, like no rice, everything was gone. So I had to go to the bulk section. This was all of the quinoa that was left in the grocery store. This was not even 1 pound. This was 0.84 pounds of organic tricolor quinoa. So this only cost me $4.61, not even $5. Got that. I got me some organic oats so that I'll be able to make some oatmeal. This was only 75 cents for this amount of oats. This is my favorite water of all times. This Splash Wild Berry water. Thumbs up this video if that's your favorite. If you've had this before, I love it. So I got 6 cases of this because we need to drink a lot of water. I also got some Raisin Bran because we need bran cereal. So we got this, 1 box of this so that I have like some breakfast options. I have some fruit in the freezer so that I can make smoothies also. But I also have, you know, the oats, cereal. What else? We have some yogurt. So I'm gonna try this Chobani. It's low fat yogurt. So this is their banana Greek yogurt with maple oatmeal. Sounds like it's gonna be really good, but we'll see. The camera's still focusing on Milan. I also grabbed the Chobani apple spice Greek yogurt with brown sugar oatmeal. This sounds really good too, so I grabbed one of these. I'm gonna try that out. And I grabbed the 4-pack of the Chobani Greek yogurt with pineapple at the bottom. So we got this. And that's literally all I got from the grocery store. Like, from the footage, you guys can see the shelves are empty. There was nothing in there. So, you know, we're really gonna have to play around with this. And my mom made a good point too. She was saying how she thinks we'll see some type of improvements just off of us adding working out into our daily routine, because right now it's like we're eating, going about our business, but we're not working out. So once we add that workout factor into our daily routine, we should start seeing some results. Hopefully we see some really good results, but we should start seeing some results. Because what I'm going to tell you guys is, before, when I was working out, I used to work out really heavy, like 6-7 times a week. So I'm actually going to insert some pictures here of what my results were looking like when I was able to go to the gym. And that was me not eating whatever I wanted, because I've never been like a huge snacker, junk food person, like me just eating regularly. So even with that, I was seeing really good results. So right now it's gonna be me you know, eating a little healthier, getting better options, but definitely adding working out into my routine. So we should see some good results. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking like before. We're gonna get my body fat percentage, my weight, all that good stuff. So this is the beginning of my fitness journey. Yeah, stay tuned so that you can see how things turn out. I'm super excited. Hopefully this works really good for me so that you guys can try it. You guys can get some results, because we gotta get these summer bodies snatched, right baby? Yeah, summer body snatched. Say snatch me, snatch me, snatch my waist. Okay, so I have my waist trainer upstairs too. I bought that a while ago, like not too long after my sweet little baby angel was born, but I definitely have not been wearing it, so I'm gonna be wearing that more often too. So yeah, hopefully you guys follow me on this journey. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Lani.